Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw in a freehand drawing with this pastel color or the crayon color, the slice of watermelon. So let's start the drawing from the top. Just put the curved line like this, which is looks like this. This is a nice curved line. The dark green color, and we're filling up and make the shape. The shape looks like the moon, like the half circle. Okay, it's going to be little pet in the middle. Mhm. You can see the texture here. So drawings going on fine. All right. Again, the thickness is getting narrow in this point at the end. Okay, so the dark green, this is done. Now let's put the light green for the next section. You can see the light green here. That's going to be a separate layer, but the thickness for the light green is going to be the same thickness for all over the spaces. Okay, let's put a little bit more here. Mhm. And after that, let's put a red color, like a, you know, this shape connecting this corner and extend here. Let's fill up the whole spaces. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. For the usual thickness, let's put another variations of colors just to filling up the white parts in the drawing. All right. There's the variations in red. Okay. So yeah, let's try to make as uniform as possible. Now let's put some black dots here like this to make the fruits watermelon more realistic. Wow, awesome. Looks like we're going to eat it. It's little drawing, little segment, but really juicy and nice stuffs. Mhm. Using a lead pencil, let's make the points little separate. Mhm. Like this. Okay, just to define the outlines so that the drawing looks good. This is few details of taking care of the stops. All right. and also connecting in this point. Okay, so this is the shape of the slice of watermelon, which is very juicy and fresh. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel if you like it, and put the bell icon on for the updates. You can also browse through the playlist to select your drawings for different categories. We have lots of categories of drawings, so many drawings there. You have lots of options. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.